total. Insane.
Okay?
Yeah, I think I'm a little too tired to be in front of you.
So we gotta put a tube in, all right? Tommy, where's the tube?
I don't have one.
What? What was that, Tommy?
I don't have one.
All right, you guys, this is gonna summarize everything. Our bed is not made. We have shoes in the sink. We have nowhere to stand. We have a stressed out Hannah.
I'm so stressed.
How are you doing though?
Obviously not great.
What's going on with you?
This week has felt like a month.
It's been insane.
We've been literally non-stop go, 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 go. We just picked up a new camera. Can you guys tell the difference?
It looks really good.
We were just filming outside trying to get this done, but then we realized we had to go inside the van because the lighting was just gonna be so much better. Plus then you can I'm talking too much. You can leave it in, it's fine. You can film yourself now.
My question to you is, are you gonna be okay?
No, I'm not.
Does the camera look better? If so, let us know in the comment section. If anyone knows how to also use Canon cameras and settings and all that stuff, we will gladly accept a class. We don't have much to give in return.
We don't have anything.
We don't literally, I mean, you guys can have these shoes. I'm not sure how much those are worth at this point. Gonna run around, get a bunch of errands done today, and we're gonna bring you guys along, hang out with DVO, maybe go for a ride. Most importantly, our t-shirts are in.
Woo!
It's been, and the craziest thing is the company we went with is called Supply Theory Designs. I'll put their info right here in the description as well. Insane to work with, and this wasn't any special treatment or anything. Turnaround time for them I think was like 4 days, so highly recommend if you guys need any t-shirts, get them done, unless they suck.
They're not gonna suck.
All right, so Supply Theory, let's go check these out. Ooh. Oh, whoa.
Wow.
I have a feeling these are ours.
This feels nice. It looks great.
Oh, this looks so
The color
sick.
looks really good. It looks really good. Yeah, this is the youth shirt, by the way. I don't think Mo could fit in this.
I probably could. What do you guys think? You guys think I could fit in there?
You could squeeze in it.
I could probably.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, yeah, these look so freaking rad. Should we put one on?
Oh my God, there's so many of them.
I know, we ordered
My
a
dad
lot of
just sunk
t-shirts.
in.
You guys, link in description. Please order one. We have a lot.
We want to see it.
It looks super rad.
Yeah, it looks great, and the fabric feels really good too.
I'm stoked on them. Link in description if you want to pick them up. And yeah, like I said, Supply Theory did them, so check them out too. Phew.
I like how there's just like this image right there.
Crazy freaking turn of events. It's the next day. We were supposed to be on our way to DVO suspension to ride bikes and everything. We just got rear-ended. Not sure if it was a hit and run or what was actually going on because we couldn't find the driver. We're on the side of the freeway. Our bikes, we're not sure how they are. How are you doing, Hannah?
I'm terrified. Do you guys see this?
Yeah, so the window actually shattered.
But the window actually did a really good job. None of the glass got inside the vehicle, which is insane. Like, I don't have any glass on me whatsoever.
Sorry if the camera is really shaky right now. We're freaking out. That was like absolutely insane. Yeah, we'll update you guys. Whew, we're all okay. It's okay.
What was funny is we actually, like, right before it happened, we were like, oh, we should take out the camera and vlog.
We were gonna vlog, which
Yeah.
probably would have been better because we would have actually seen like who hit us. Yeah, everything's just been insane.
I wish I was able to react faster, but I didn't expect the guy to actually take off.
Total insane. Damage here.
Yeah, this climb was just ridiculous.
Climb was like 10 minutes.
Come on, oh my God.
What'd you just say, Tommy?
This climb was just ridiculous. Oh my god.
Kyle's like, it's already 1:30. He was like, oh, it's because of this climb. We only climbed it for like 10 minutes.
Oh my god, Tommy. Back on another day. We're actually out here in Temecula, here to ride some bikes. Yesterday was an event all on its own. We're happy that everyone was safe. Also, our bikes somehow didn't get mangled, so it's just mind-blowing because that definitely would have probably ruined Thailand. But we're out here, gonna run some laps. It's like 1,000,000 freaking degrees out here. We have Tommy. Tommy hates climbing. Add that to the heat. It's just complaint session overall. We also have Hannah. You haven't complained at all.
Yeah, well, actually, I did earlier. Before we started.
How hot is it?
It's really hot. This breeze feels good though.
Don't wanna complicate ya, complicate ya, complicate.
We're not a pro like you, Tommy.
Tommy's wearing 2 pairs of knee pads. I just thought I'd say that. Whoa! It is so dusty, oh my gosh. Woo! Oh shoot, I should open my suspension. Woo! Whoa! Oh, excuse me. Bleep it. That was sketchy. This trail is so dry. Woo! Not clear that one. Looks like Tommy has a little bit of a flat.
A little bit. All right, sweet. So we just need can't fix this, so we gotta put a tube in, all right? Tommy, where's the tube?
I don't have one.
What? What was that, Tommy?
I don't have one.
Oh, Tom.
Hey, Tommy.
Yeah,
Is this worth,
I got your lunch.
Is this worth dinner or lunch?
Yeah, how much are tubes worth when you don't have one? That's what.
He says lunch, but I think I want dinner for 2.
Alright, we're going down overdrive. Whoa! Yeah, I think I'm a little too tired to be in front of you.
You're good. I'll wait for you to get back.
Okay. I think the heat is getting to me a little bit. I can't be in front of Kyle.
No, you're okay.
Yeah.
She's fine. She caught herself.
I'm just really dizzy.
You want some water?
I'll drink some. I should.
Walk me through what happened.
So as I was coming up, I thought I was gonna launch, and then the tip of the rock, it like grabbed my rear tire and it yanked me back. It's like somebody grabbing your foot and pulling you back, and then it grabbed my front and just shot me down like that. It scared the hell out of me.
I don't think I got it on camera.
Ah!
I'm exhausted.
That
And
was
you know what?
Brutal.
I'm still dizzy too.
Really? We should probably take you to a really good restaurant.
Where should we eat?
Maybe that place?
I've heard it's okay.
That was I want to say awesome ride, but that was brutally hot. Makes me a little concerned for Thailand, because in Thailand I hear it's about 10 or 15 degrees hotter, and also like 3 times the humidity, so it should be interesting. For now, it's always nice when people are driving and kind of look at you like you're a freak. For now, we're gonna carb up, fuel up at Monarch 9. It's Tommy's restaurant. Be sure to check it out if you haven't already. We're gonna take you inside and show you our normal order, but yeah, we're also gonna be like dying, because right now I feel like I'm about to pass out.